Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make moi-moi from Akara batter. Without further ado, let's get started. I will be using salt, seasoning powder, turmeric, an egg, mashed mackerel, cooking oil, parchment paper, disposable coffee cup. Well, I'm going to show a clip of me boiling water in a carton. Don't be surprised. This will definitely make the moi-moi perfectly. Akara batter. And lastly, a blender. So guys, let's get started. share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time.